Once a customer has placed an order, you will receive an email notifying you of the order. Alternatively, you can find all your orders under the order section in your dashboard. So over here, we can see all the orders that have come through. If an order comes through as failed, it means the customer's card details were incorrect or they have insufficient funds. Refunded items will all be there, but these will be processed by you. If an order is cancelled, kind of like this one over here, it means that the customer was taking way too long at checkout and the system has timed them out. You don't need to do anything with these orders. It means we haven't received payment, so there's no further action. You will see some pending orders, and an order will be pending whilst we're waiting for a customer to pay for an item. Once a customer has paid for an item, and it has been processed, it comes through on hold. So we have one here on hold, and we have one here which is processing. So this is processing when we're preparing the order for the customer. And completed, it's finally completed, and we can get payment for that. There's nothing left to do. So I'm going to show you this one here on hold. So this is an order which has come through and we haven't done anything with it yet. So what you do in this instance is you'd open up the order. We can see what she's purchased and it is for pickup, so there's no extra fee. So we would acknowledge that we have received this order. So there's an order note section on the right hand side, and what you can do is you can place a note. And you can send it to the customer. All right, so if you select customer note over there, this note will actually go directly to the customer. This section over here is going to be your best friend. When you receive an order, add in a note. If you have had any previous communication with the customer, we suggest you pop that in there as well and put it as a private note. So say, customer wants less salt. It's very important that you do add everything inside that section over there, just in case you have any troubles with the order in the future. At least you can come back and cover your own end when there is a dispute. So basically, once you have said the order has been received, you can then scroll up to order status up the top over here and hit edit, and you can update the order status to processing, which means you are preparing the order and it should be dispatched shortly. This is the same area that you will go to when you need to update your order status to completed as well. If we come back to our order, we can see it has now been updated to processing. Note the status might take a bit of time to be updated. If you have any troubles with this, please contact admin. We can now go back into the order and we can add in another note. So we've already notified them that the order has been received and it has been updated to processing. You can see that all here in the note. So we might want to add another note to say, currently preparing your order. And you want to send that to the customer. You want them to be updated through the entire process so they're not kept in the dark at all. Or if you don't want to send it to them, add it to the notes again, just to cover your back with that. So we have that, currently preparing your order. Once you have finished preparing the order, you can say order completed, ready for pickup at 5 p.m. So this is notifying the customer that their order is ready for pickup. You can add in any other details. So say you want to put in the address there as well, 38 Hamilton Street, Parkinson as the pickup, or whatever your pickup address might be, or any other information regarding the pickup can be popped in there and you can send that directly to the customer. So that will update over here, and it's all sent out to customers as an email. All right. If you are shipping items, you can head over down here and go to the tracking number section and add in your shipping provider. So say that's Australia Post, and that is N6165437. That's something I've just made up, and you want to select the date shipped, and that will be today, and you want to add those tracking details, and that again will be filled out over here and will be sent directly to the customer as well. Once the customer has collected the order, you can come down to the order notes and add that in. So customer collected order, and perhaps you might want to add a date. So, 29/03/2021, or whatever other information you want to add to there, and add it as a private note. Add it in. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to head to the top and you want to update the status to completed. You need to update the status to completed in order to have the funds released into your wallet. So I'm going to hit update over here, and you're all done. I will also note, whilst we have the order section open, if there are any changes regarding the order and you need to contact the customer urgently, we have allowed their details to populate through the invoice, so you can always give them a call or you can send them an email directly and let them know of any changes that may occur. Or if you have had previous contact with them through the support system, you can give them a message through that, or alternatively a note through the email section might suffice. Alright, so once an order has been completed, as we can see with this one over here, so it was completed and the earning total was $55.20. What happens is that earning is then pushed over to your balance. So you can actually withdraw that. If you head to withdraw over here, you can now see that you have $55.20 to withdraw.